What's up everyone, it's Martin, and today, we're diving deep into the world of Pi Network. We're talking about setting up your very own Pi node. If you're serious about Pi, about its future, about decentralization, this is how you level up. This isn't just mining on your phone anymore, this is the real deal. Don't worry though, I've got you covered. We're breaking down the entire process, step by step, so you can get your node up and running smoothly. Stick around, let's get this done. Alright, first things first, we need to get the Pi node software onto your system. Head over to the official Pi Network website. Don't download this from anywhere else, security is key. You'll see the download link, and of course they've got versions for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so no matter what you're rocking, you're good to go. Download the installer that matches your operating system, it's pretty straightforward. Once that's done, double-click, run through the installation process. You know the drill, next, next, next. And make sure to log in using your Pi Network credentials. This links everything up nicely. Now here's where things get slightly more technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Pi nodes rely on something called Docker to run. Think of Docker like a virtual container that lets the Pi node software do its thing without messing with your main system. For you Windows users out there, you'll want to download and install Docker Desktop. Make sure, and this is important during the installation, you enable the WSL2 backend. This is crucial for compatibility. Mac and Linux users, you've got it a bit easier. Just install Docker following their official guide. You'll find it on their website. Docker is what allows your Pi node to talk to the rest of the network efficiently, so we absolutely need this set up right. Okay, we're making progress. You've set up your Pi node and now it's time to ensure it can communicate effectively with the Pi network. Next up, we need to talk about ports. Ports are essential for your Pi node to send and receive data. Your Pi node needs open ports on your router to communicate with the Pi network. These ports act as gateways for data. Specifically, open ports 31400 to 31409. These 10 ports are crucial for your Pi node. Log into your router's admin panel to configure these settings. Type your router's IP address into your web browser to access the admin panel. Look for port forwarding or virtual server settings to specify which ports should be open. Add each port, directing traffic to your computer's local IP address. Save the changes and restart your router to apply the new settings. Check your network connection. Your Pi node should now communicate with the Pi network without issues. Congratulations! Your Pi node is now ready to operate efficiently within the Pi network. Chapter 4. If you're running Windows, there's one more step we need to take care of. The Windows Defender Firewall. This little guy can sometimes block our ports even if they're open on the router, so let's make sure it's playing nice. Open up Windows Defender Firewall. You can usually find it in your system tray. From there, go to Advanced Settings, then Inbound Rules. Click on New Rule and choose to allow incoming traffic for our 10 ports, 31400 to 31409. We're not done yet though. Repeat the exact same process, but this time, under Outbound Rules. This ensures that your Pi node can freely send and receive data without any interference from the firewall. Chapter 5. Okay, we're in the home stretch. It's time to fire up the Pi node and see if everything is configured correctly. Launch the Pi node application that we downloaded earlier. Once it's open, head over to Node Settings. You'll see an option that says, Check Now. This is what we're looking for. Click it, and the Pi node software will test if all 10 of our ports are open and accessible. If everything went smoothly, you should see a green light indicating that your ports are open and ready to go. If any of them are blocked, you'll need to revisit your firewall and router settings to troubleshoot. Don't worry, it's usually a simple fix. Chapter 6. And there you have it. Once your node passes the port check, you're ready to move on to the next exciting phase. It'll start syncing with the Pi network. This basically means it's downloading a copy of the blockchain and getting up to speed with the rest of the network. This process can take some time depending on your internet speed and the current size of the blockchain. Now, to keep your node active and contributing to the Pi network, you'll need to ensure your computer remains online and operational as much as possible. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of the network. Think of it like running a server. The more uptime, the better. The longer your node is online, the more it can contribute to the network's overall health and performance. This means you'll want to avoid unnecessary reboots or shutdowns. Keeping your system stable and connected is key. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on the Pinode app. Regularly checking the app helps you ensure everything is functioning correctly and allows you to catch any potential issues early. You'll be able to see its status, how much data it's synced, and any other relevant information. This transparency is one of the strengths of the PI network, allowing you to stay informed and engaged. Monitoring your node's performance can also help you optimize its contribution. For instance, you might notice patterns in data syncing or network connectivity that you can address to improve efficiency. As your node continues to sync, you'll see progress indicators showing how much data has been downloaded and integrated. This can be a satisfying way to track your node's journey to full synchronization, and any other relevant information. And that's it! You're now officially running a Pi node, contributing to the decentralization and security of the Pi network. This is a significant achievement, and you should be proud of yourself for taking this step. By running a node, you're playing a vital role in the Pi network's ecosystem. You're helping to ensure the network remains decentralized and secure, which is essential for its long-term success and reliability. It's a pretty big deal, and you should be proud of yourself for taking this step. Your contribution is invaluable, and it helps pave the way for a more decentralized future. So take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. You've joined a community of pioneers working towards a common goal. Welcome to the Pi Network. Setting up a Pi network node might seem technical, but it's a rewarding experience with some patience and attention to detail. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be up and running in no time. Even those with minimal technical knowledge can succeed. If you run into any issues, don't sweat it. It's normal to face a few hurdles with new technology. The Pi network has a great community forum and support page with helpful tips and troubleshooting guides. Download the Pinode software and be part of shaping the future of decentralized digital currency. It's an exciting time to be involved. The potential for growth and innovation in this space is immense. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Your support means a lot.